Yeah, greetings of the day. I'm Shiva. I'm an English teacher. See, many of you have thought that, see, you're panic because your schools are now opened due to this coronavirus. So no need to worry. I brought a good news for you. See, through my YouTube channel, Learn English with Shiva. Through this channel, I am teaching you English language and literature class 9 and 10 from today onwards. See, today in this particular video, what I'm doing, I'm teaching you a pattern of your CBSE annual examination. See here, there will be three main sections will be there in your question paper: section A and section B and section C. Section A, it is reading skill, it is for 20 marks. Section B, it is writing skill with the grammar, that is for 30 marks. And third one is literature and supplementary reading, that is for again 30 marks. See, in this particular video, what I'm doing, I'm totally talking about only grammar section, that is for only 10 marks, right? So let me teach you one by one each and every concept clearly. See, before that, if you're interested to learn something from me, please subscribe to my channel. See here, this is your grammar section syllabus. First one is tenses. Second one is modal verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, like that. Then use of passive voice like active voice and passive voice in detail, right? Then subject, verb, concord. The next one is reporting. Reporting means reported speech. In that commands, statements and questions. Commands or requests means you can read that imperative sentence, and statements means affirmative sentence, and questions means interrogative sentence. Then the next one is clauses in that noun clause, adverb clause and relative clause. The next one is determiners, and after that prepositions. See, this is your detailed grammar section of CBSE class and 9 and 10. See, you can observe both 9 and 10th classes grammar section is completely same, 100% same. So no need to worry. For both the classes, I will teach this grammar section today onwards. Okay, now already you have seen the grammar section syllabus. See, one important thing I just want to tell you: they won't ask you change the given tense into other tense like that. They won't ask you, and they won't ask you use can and could your sentence. No, they will not ask such questions to you. How using these all grammar content what we have discussed, using them, they will ask you the questions like close passage, gap fillings and editing. Editing means sentence improvement. That is for 4 marks. And another 6 marks question will be there. That is dialogue writing or reporting dialogue on a given clip, right? That is for 6 marks or 4 marks. Totally, today in this video, what we have discussed about the pattern of pattern of CBSE examination, and we have deeply we have discussed about the portion of grammar section and how the questions will arise. In the next video, what I do, I will teach you the tenses. Let me begin with one by one, and later what we do, we'll take some modern question papers and old question papers, and we'll solve each and every questions on this kind, right? Yes. Thank you for watching this video. Right.